Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the exact Google account tied to the Play balance. Once signed in, open Play Store and tap menu, then Payments and Subscriptions. Redeem code is next. Type the code carefully, characters must match. After you press Redeem, make sure the on-screen confirmation shows your updated dollar amount. If your balance already exists, note the figure. This is the amount you can spend. Now that credit is active, you're ready to pick what to buy. You now locate the item, app, game, movie, book, or subscription. Use search or browse. Once on the product page, compare the price with your Play balance. Note that taxes or regional pricing can change the total. When you tap Buy or Subscribe, the purchase sheet appears and usually selects Play balance as the first payment option. If not, change the method to Play balance. Pause and scan the confirmation screen. This prevents accidental purchases and makes sure you're using credit. You finish by confirming the purchase. Google sends a receipt to your account email. Save it for records. For subscriptions, make sure renewals are set to use Play balance and review the renewal date. If the transaction declines, try troubleshooting. Clear Play Store cache, force stop the app, update Play Store, and sign out then back in. If that doesn't work, check payment order and payment methods. Play balance must be prioritized. One tip: reboot the device after changes to ensure they take effect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.